गुलबर्गा शहर के लिए काफ़ी बड़ी कामयाबी, क्योंकि अल बदर रूरल डेंटल कॉलेज को नैक यानी कि नेशनल असेसमेंट एंड एक्रेडिटेशन काउंसिल ने रैंक दिया है B++। जी हाँ, CGPA स्कोर इनका 2.87 है ऑन 4 पॉइंट स्केल, जो अपने आप में काफ़ी बड़ी बात है। अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज हमेशा से टॉप क्वालिटी एजुकेशन देता आता है और टॉप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देता आता है, और नैक ने भी एक्रेडिटेशन दिया है कई सारे पैरामीटर्स को देखते हुए, जिसके अंदर लर्निंग रिसोर्सेज शामिल हैं, रिसर्च, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, इवैल्यूएशन प्रोसेस, इनोवेशन, गवर्नेंस। ये सारी चीज़ों को एक्सेस करने के बाद ही आपको ये स्कोर मिलता है, जो कि 2.87 अपने आप में काफ़ी बड़ी बात है। ये रैंकिंग एक नैक की पीर टीम के रिव्यू के बाद हुआ, जो 13 और 14 जून को यहाँ पर हुआ था। और याद रखिए, अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज हमेशा से बच्चों के हित में काम करते आया है, और यहाँ पर बच्चों को फुलेस्ट पोटेंशियल रियलाइज़ करने के लिए यहाँ पर पढ़ाई की जाती है, और डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स, एम्बेड लर्निंग एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ पर मौजूद है, जिसकी वजह से बच्चे काफ़ी एक्सेल करते हैं। आए देते हैं अल बदर डेंटल कॉलेज के ये शॉर्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस।
This Al Badr Dental College was established in 1992 in a small place. Then slowly we have upgraded our college. Now today our college has been accredited with B++ with 2.87 CGPA, which is very proud moment for our college. It's a very big feather for our institute. And I think it's in North Karnataka, it's the first minority college to be accredited, precisely. And in these 30 years of journey, almost 1,600 undergraduates have been gone out of this campus, who are well settled all over the world. And they are all in a good position. In that, in alumni, we have got a data. And almost 200 post-graduation students have come out of this institute. Today our college has 100 intake and 7 departments post-graduation, and we have almost got more than 70 BDS and MDS staff.
71. BDS and MDS.
Yeah, BDS and MDS.
Maximum MDS.
And almost our results are above 90% for undergraduate as well as postgraduate. And from past 5 years, we have started a mobile dental van. We take all this van to the various taluka places, the small villages, tandas, for dental awareness, because in this belt the fluoride content is more. So wherever we go there, we give our card, said we'll do the free treatment here in the college. And from today, 1st July, and today is a Doctor's Day, I congratulate all our team, the Happy Doctor's Day. And today almost we are organizing 2-3 events recognizing and appreciation of healthcare services eminent doctors of Gulbarga city by giving them mementos, and we are giving a flower plant. And special camps for health education and oral, we are distributing the oral hygiene kit also today, and we are doing oral screening camp. And from today onwards, we have reduced almost price to 25% for the treatment of the patients. And few treatments that we are giving free. And now we are associated with Danta Bhagya government scheme and Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. So and we have adopted five villages under PMJY scheme.
Yes.
Under PMJY scheme with Jila Panchayat CA.
Basically, we give awareness because the cancer is more common here. People will use more tobacco here. So that's why our college is like a good center. We have operated more than 50 to 60 cancer patients here. We have treated a lot of patients because cancer is more in this North Karnataka region because of the tobacco. So that's why our college specialty management gives the support to operate. We are operating free cases. The cost, if they get operated outside, it's come up to 2 to 2.5 lakhs. So we are operating here within 50,000. In that also management is paying half of the amount. So we are giving basically service to the community, society, basic society.
Our purpose is to give the services. It is a minority institute by name, but not by the students. We have got every community, every caste and religion student. In the staff pattern also, we have all the community people in the college. Name and the management is from the minority, but college we have got no discretion, nothing. And basically our motto is to give service to our Gulbarga needy people, and with very low cost. We do implants, lot of implants are there, lot of oral surgeries are there, where minimum cost, whatever the material cost. If we have the material also, we don't charge. If anything has to be bring from the outside, we charge for that only. And our results are very good. We are doing lot
Like
of...
we have a tobacco suggestion clinic in our setup in oral medicine department.
हमारे पास अपना एक टोबैको सेंटर है, स्क्रीनिंग सेंटर है,
Suggestion center है.
जिससे सेंटर बोल के है. हम रेलवे स्टेशन में भी कैंप किए थे. तो हमारा जो कैंप मोबाइल जाता है, आज भी अगर कोई भी बोलते हैं, लाइक जिला पंचायत मेंबर, तालुका पंचायत, लोकल लीडर्स, कारपोरेटर्स, वी ऑर्गेनाइज एवरी वीक में 2 कैंप्स करते हैं. मोर देन 100 कैंप्स वी डू इन ए ईयर. सॉरी, द लैकिंग वी गॉट एक्चुअली to score A, it was 3.01. We got 2.87. One bad luck was there. We have to show e-journals. We have purchased the e-journals for which we pay amount for Helinet. Helinet is an organization, e-library setup है, जो राजीव गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट को we pay them. That unfortunately is our bad luck. On that particular day, there was server problem from the Rajiv Gandhi University. But the inspector, they say कि भाई whatever we see, we have to write that. In that, we have lost some marks. That's why, but definitely in every year we have to upgrade ourselves. Now the inspection will be after 5 years. We have gone for the first time, but there are a lot of paperwork were there. Now everybody into the system, they understand, because accreditation is a very big process for quality and assurance. But whatever we got the score, we are very happy.
Sir, sir, we have a 100 undergraduate seat, that is BDS. We have a PG in 7 departments. We have 22 seats. We have a PhD recognized center from the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. We have 2 departments, that is oral medicine and radiology, oral and maxillofacial surgery.
Attachment with KBN as well as with the Chirayu.
Chirayu.
They also charge, they also help us.
Chirayu.
They charge, Chirayu also help us. Bare minimum they charge the cost.
See, by
लाख रुपए का है तो they may charge only 20,000-50,000. With that also we also contribute from the management side, and we give financial assistance to our staff. Bare minimum cost था sir, उसमें भी we reduced. We thought we'll do, because corona lot of patient को वापस motivate करने के लिए. And one more thing I'd like to add, we started free bus service from bus stand to college, pick up and drop, and from Timmapuri pick up and drop. From morning 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, college hours are there 9 to 4, but from 8 to 5, around the clock, every half an hour of buses
will move, sir.
will move.
Because this
Free service.
Free service.
Anybody can jump in, anybody can drop out. वापस
Sir,
भी
there
जाओ,
are
वापस.
2-3 options what sir has said. One, we have planned for the bus stand as sir said. Second, from the Timmapuri chowk. And third, we are planning for to have it in the supermarket, because most of the people come from villages.
Villages there we have
So
a bus stand.
ट्रैवल
there.
करने के लिए उनको ऑटो के लिए चार्जेस ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो इनको कैसा मदद कर सकते हैं. तो हम सोचे हमारे बसेस तेरे में रहते हैं. We are going to give the buses. We have 5 buses in our college.
And our OPD charges are only 20 rupees stationary.
Just
Only one time we take.
one time.
Every
Registration
time हम नहीं लेते हो. तो recently I think we have got 4-5 grants. One is for 3 lakhs, one is for individually 15-15 हज़ार के मिलते हैं. इसमें क्या है सर, पैसे की वैल्यू नहीं है. आप अगर एक नीडल भी लाएंगे ना, that carries the weightage in accreditation. One small pen also, if you achieve from that any organization, that is the weightage. We want to make our institute research based.
Only research oriented.
Now 30 years gone, so everybody has become senior. We have got almost more than 18 professors. So everybody has almost 3 or 4 are PhD graduates. Now another, I think 6 have applied for PhD. In 1 year plan, I think we may have achieved almost another 6 to 7 PhD staff in our college. With this, their help, we can apply for basically lot of research are there, lot of patients are there.
We got grants from Vision Group of Science and Technology, which is from Karnataka government. And we have applied national grants also from ICMR.
ICMR, sir, it is a national body. We are applying for grants there also.
See, Vision Group, for which purpose they are planning?
Health Sciences. They have engineering also, but we have applied under Health Sciences.
ये कुछ-
Vision Group of Science and Technology. Under Health Sciences category.
We have all classrooms are air conditioned, sir. Very nice auditorium. We have full. We are planning to go for library also. और हमारे पास almost जो 60 प्लस छोड़ के पूरे टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ आर अंडर PF and ESI सर. Our all employees non teaching are under ESI coverage.
Yes, all.
Almost 100% I can assure.
Yes, sir, 100%. 100%.
All benefits are there. Whatever benefits are there from the ESI, they are taken. Every employee, our non-teaching staff is ESI.
We'll assure you whatever patient
With all the specialities.
We have 71 staff. We have 65 postgraduates. We have almost 70 to 80 interns हैं. तो रोजाना 300-400 पेशेंट भी आए तो सबको ट्रीट करके भेजा
Yes,
सकते हैं.
And with bare minimum charges.
With bare minimum charges.
How
नहीं
many
भेजिए.
staff here, sir? How many staff?
Staff 71
71.
and PG students are 66.
71.
71 PG staff is the teaching.
टीचिंग स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग तो और ज्यादा है हमारे पास.
200 के ऊपर है.
200 के ऊपर नॉन टीचिंग है हमारे पास.
ये एक टूर लगाना सर. आप यहाँ तक आए हैं टाइम लगा के, तो यू हैव टू, एक स्मॉल टूर है जो आप कॉलेज दे सकते हो. कैन विजुअलाइज बाय योर ओन दिस थिंग के कॉलेज भी कैसा है. छोटे छोटे चीज़ भी वी हैव हाईलाइटेड ऑन द पेपर. बोर्ड्स है, फ्लक्स स्पेस है, पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन है. ये लैंड 5.4 एकर्स है सर, ऑलमोस्ट.
Almost 6 acres.
टोटल 9 डिपार्टमेंट, 9 स्पेशलिटी होते सर हमारे डेंटल कॉलेज वाले. तो 9 स्पेशल
9 सब्जेक्ट्स है इसमें, 9 स्पेशलिटीज.
तो इसमें हर डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग ब्लॉक है हमारे पास. एक नंबर होता है जहाँ पे पेशेंट पहले जाके दिखाता है. ऐसे हैं वो आपको राउंड्स मारे जब बताएंगे. जहाँ दांत निकलता है, दांत बिठाना है, दांत निकालने का है, दांत साफ करने का है, रिप्लेस करने का है, सफाई का है, कैंसर का है उसका निकालने का है, फिलिंग करना है, बचाना. हर डिपार्टमेंट है और सब स्पेशलिटी है. और हर डिपार्टमेंट में 8 से 9 स्टाफ है. ये इम्प्लांट का सर ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है हमारे कॉलेज में. मैं आपको जस्ट ब्रीफ करना चाहता हूँ. यूजुअली जब दांत जाता है तो सब लोग क्या करते हैं, 3 आजू बाजू घस के बिठाते, ब्रिज बोल के बोलते हैं. हमारे पास इम्प्लांट बिठाते हो, जो दांत है बस उसी पे बिठाते हैं. बाहर आप जाएंगे तो इसको जो चार्ज करते हैं मिनिमम कम से 25,000 से लेकर 50,000 तक चार्ज करते हैं. हमारे पास कुछ नहीं, वही मंगाते हैं वही, बिकॉज वी आर पेइंग द सैलरी टू द स्टाफ. तो दे आर जस्ट प्लेसिंग. 9 से लेकर 11,000 में पूरी चीज़ खत्म होती है. पूरा 3 सिस्टम है.
डेंचर तो टोटली फ्री करें
Free.
सर. अभी तो दंत भाग में आई थिंक 200 या 500 का अभी फ्री करेंगे.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.